Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Get ready for this tomorrow because this is exactly what's about to happen. So, as we know, watch out for the comments down below, guys. The spam, the WhatsApp, all that good stuff. So, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, like I told you guys, to get a little indication, not always, like, this is not going to be what you look at to give you 100% indication that the market is going to do this. No, I'm not telling you guys that at all, but it is a little homework that you can do previous to the market opening to give you an indication on what the market is going to be like. Part of the scenario is going to be, what did the market close like on Friday? So we see that the market had one of the best weeks in the past 5 months. The market was out of here, guys, with inflation, CPI inflation report coming in better than expected. Inflation cooling off is going to send the market also during midterm elections. So we know that. Also, we know on Friday that the market ended up. It ended in a green. It ended near resistance, giving us an indication. You know, a lot of investors held on to their position, looking for a bigger spike come next week due to not closing out those positions and getting the cash position like they usually do. So that's an indication all alone by itself that the market could, you know, open up big. But then we see this indication that we get on Sunday. We take a look at the futures market and see that it's down. It took a dip. The S&P 500 futures dipped a little under 5%, 0.5%, and the NASDAQ 100 futures dipped a little over 0.5%. So as we notice, guys, like we know, I told you guys, use that a little bit as homework. That's giving me an indication that I'm pretty sure, and without a doubt, we know the market ran up fairly well last week on Thursday and Friday. A lot of investors is trying to hop in. They like to jump on the bandwagon once they see stocks start to go. So that's already giving an indication that it could pull back. And now that we see the futures market is pulling back in the evening on this Sunday, that's telling us that's what's going to happen in the morning. Not 100% guarantee, but that's kind of, you know, giving us the indication. So I'm pretty sure, guys, come opening up, we're going to see a pullback. See, probably see AMC pull back to around 650 if it don't hold up at 690 and continue to push through the sevens. It's going to come back to 650 and cool off. We're going to see, you know, Tesla, Apple, you know, the whole market is going to drastically pull back, guys. And once it pull back, I do believe it's going to be a quick pullback, and throughout the remainder of the day, it's going to come back and run. The only way it don't come back and run is if they stall it out, meaning when they pull it back, the day go cold, meaning it kind of stabilizes and stabilizes before, you know, it shoots back up. Because sometimes they'll do that to try and mess with investor psychology, you know, and other things, and get some people up out of there before sending the market back off to a rally. So going into tomorrow, guys, do expect to pull back, but it's going to be a lot of money to be made, guys. It's about to be a lot of penny stocks, and I'm not telling you guys to buy penny stocks, just telling you guys, if you want to turn $100, $200 into $1,000, you get what I'm saying? Don't try and put $5,000, $10,000 on penny stocks. These are just experiment plays. So if you see any penny stocks on the channel, or, you know, a stock that's not like Amazon, Facebook, Snapchat, one of these more well-known brands, if it's not like that, make sure you be very, very meticulous with how you play it, guys. Meaning you can put in $10, $50, depending on where you at in life, and see 50 turn to 500, or 50 turn into a couple hundred, or $100 turn into, you know, nearly or $300 turn into nearly 1,000. So that's what penny stocks can do during the bullish market, guys, or during what we're about to experience. Like I said, we was about to eventually go off into a bullish market coming into 2023, but we still is in a bearish market. It's just bullish little traps happening in between, because Bitcoin still have a gap to fill, and the overall market still have a gap to fill. But those gaps doesn't always necessarily have to be filled, and the market could trick you and start to run and go up and never come back down. Just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So going into tomorrow, guys, it's definitely going to be a lot of plays out there. You already know what to do. Get in VIP. I love you guys. Add me over on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, and we out. God bless you.